So in this video, I'm going to show you an example using the mean value theorem. So first I want to verify that the criteria for the mean value theorem are satisfied, and then we are going to find the value of C that's guaranteed by the mean value theorem. So first let's look at this function. This is the, oops, need my pen here. So square root function, it's going to look like this. From 0 to 8. So you can see that this function is continuous over the closed interval from 0 to 8, and it's differentiable over the interval from open interval from 0 to 8. So we know that the criteria for the mean value theorem are satisfied by looking at this graph. Let's find the value of C that the mean value theorem guarantees us. So the mean value theorem says that f prime of C is the same as f of B minus f of A over B minus A. That there exists a value C where the slope of the tangent line is the same as the slope of the secant line. So let's find the slope of the secant line first. I'm going to do that way over here. So in this case, we're going to find, here, the slope of our secant line is going to be f of 8 minus f of 0 over 8 minus 0. So f of 8, putting into our function, is going to be the square root of 2 times 8, the square root of 16, which is 4. And f of 0 is going to be the square root of 2 times 0, which is the square root of 0, which is 0. So our slope of our secant line then is going to be 4 minus 0 over 8 minus 0, or 4/8, which is the same as 1/2. So we want to find our value C, so we first need the derivative of f of x. So I'm going to write f of x as 2x to the 1/2, and then let's find the derivative. So I'll drop that 1/2 down in front, decrease it by 1, use the chain rule to take the derivative of the inside, and we get a 2. The 1/2 and the 2 are going to cancel, giving us a 2x to the negative 1/2, which means that our f prime of x is going to be equal to 1 over the square root of 2x. And so we're looking for that C, so now we know that f prime of C is going to equal 1/2, and so we know that 1 over the square root of 2c is going to equal 1/2. And if we cross multiply here, we get 2 equal to the square root of 2c. If we square both sides, we get 4 equal to 2c. Divide by 2, and we get c equal to 2. And that 2 is in our original interval from 0 to 8. So that's the c we were looking for.